everyone, Katie Scoog here from Simple Life Pattern Company, and today we are going to cut a lot of different fabrics out on our Cricut Maker. With Cricut Maker, they have an adaptive tool system that you can cut a variety of different fabrics. Today we are going to focus on the rotary blade, and it's so easy to install. We are going to cut a rayon, canvas, bottom weight, scuba knit, stretch velvet, sequin, seersucker, cheap textured knit, super thick quilted knit, and cuddle fabric, or known as Minky fabric. I have some pre-cut right here, so let's go ahead and get started. To get started, we're going to go ahead and change our rotary blade. This is an old blade that I've been using for many months, and it definitely needs a good change. So I have this rotary blade kit. It has a screwdriver, an empty case, and then it also has a little case right here with a new blade in it. This is so you don't have to ever touch the blade or risk cutting yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this in until you hear it click right there. And now you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to loosen up this screw right here. Then you can pull this out. Now your blade is stuck in there, your old blade, so you can go ahead and toss that. And now you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to push this all the way in till it clicks. And now you can go ahead and put this new screw, or put your screw back in, and it has a new nut on this side and a new blade right there. So go ahead and screw that in. There you go, then you can pull it out. Now you got a new rotary blade, and you didn't have to touch anything to replace it. You can go ahead and take your rotary blade and insert it into your Cricut Maker and lock it in place. You don't need to keep your screwdriver because one comes in each kit that you buy, so no need of keeping little things like that around. You can toss that. So we're going to go ahead and prep our mats. I'm using the fabric grip mat, which is the pink one. The less you touch it, the better. Your oils will break down the adhesive, so you don't want to touch it as much. We will go ahead and start with our canvas. This is Art Gallery Fabrics canvas. So we're going to go ahead and lay this down right here. And just kind of spread it, get all the air bubbles out. And we will turn our machine on. I have already started a project here. We're just going to cut out some basic shapes. We're going to start with a heart. I cut big enough strips because some of these fabrics, I don't know what settings to use or if there's any settings in there, so we have a little extra room to try.